Hello everyone, my name is Felix Feygin. I'm a wedding photographer in New York City, and today we're going to review the Fuji Instax Mini Evo camera. It's a hybrid camera that allows you to shoot digitally and instantly print your favorite photos. Let's take a closer look at all the fun features. The Fuji Instax Mini Evo has a beautiful compact design. It's a durable camera with a large screen in the back so you can see all of your digital images. It also reminds me a little bit of the Fuji X-T4, which is a pro-level camera, but this has a very similar build to it, and it feels nice in your hand when you hold it. The front of the camera has a 28mm f2.0 lens. It has a built-in flash. It has a fun little mirror that helps you take selfies. It has a on and off switch in the lower left-hand corner here. On the side of the camera, we have a mounting hole. The top of the camera has a shutter release button. It has an effects reset button. It also has a cold shoe if you want to mount an LED. And it has this dial that allows you to change your film effect. The camera also has a shutter release in front here so that it's comfortable for you to take selfies. The lens has a ring control that allows you to switch between 10 different lenses. And at the same time, you can also switch between 10 different effects, film effects. Combined together, you have 100 different possibilities to get creative. If we look in the back of the camera has a large screen. It has some controls here, but the most exciting feature of the camera is that it allows you to choose photos that you want to print. Unlike older versions of the camera, which printed all of the photos that you took, this one allows you to choose the photos on the back screen and then pull on this print lever, which then prints the photo of your liking through this slot. The camera also comes with a smartphone app that you can download and install on your smartphone that allows you to choose the photos to print, or it allows you to remotely control your camera and take photos directly through your phone. Let's dive into the menu. There's face detection, there's autofocus illuminator, which helps you get images in focus. There's the Bluetooth settings, so you can connect it to your smartphone. You can control the print quality, the print brightness, and you can change the date and time. To get into the shooting menu, you click the round selector button once to the right. Here we have a few different options for shooting. You have the exposure compensation. Since the camera sets an automatic exposure, you're able to compensate for the brightness by using the exposure dials. Here we also have a self-timer that gives you a few different options of setting the camera on a self-timer. In the flash menu, you have 3 different options of how to use the flash. In the macro setting, you're able to set the camera to be used in macro mode. And the white balance, the camera does a great job at setting the automatic white balance, but you also have a few presets here that you can choose from. Let's load up some film and go out for a test shoot. So we're all ready to go? Let me introduce our model. Her name is Rabia, and we're going to show you what this camera can do. Let's make a black and white one. I'm going to change the here. Oh, that's cool. I'm going to put this one. Let's go outside and try some street style photography. You ready? I'm going to change the effects. I'm going to change my lens, and I'm going to change the exposure compensation to make the scene a little darker. Wow, really nice. Can you just walk the same way you were walking before this way? Oh. Look up to the right. Oh, one more time. Stay right there. I think the lens is really flexible, allows me to get full length as well as some really nice close-ups. Wow, it's so much fun to play with this camera because you have so many interesting angles you can do. And up, I'll bear this one down. One of the most fun features of the camera is that you can connect your phone to it. You can take the photos and you can print them directly from your camera. So let's try that. Just turn your face to me a little bit. Now we're going to try to print the photos I took on the phone directly through the camera. I really liked using the camera. It was a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun shooting outside in all different lighting locations. You can get really creative with it. There's a ton of possibilities. There's a lot of flexibility with the camera. It allows you to shoot quickly, and also it's really fun to print the photos and you'll have something physical in your hand right away. It's great for everyone. I'll definitely bring it along when I'm hanging out with my friends. And if you like the video, please hit subscribe on our YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time.